Sam here, and I just received my Jeffree Star Valentine's Day mystery box, so I figured I would hop on and film this so I can show you guys what I got inside. He launched these boxes on January 31st at 10 a.m. and I set my alarm and my reminder because I wanted to make sure I got it. I really wanted to get the big box, the one that was like $145. That didn't happen because I am on the East Coast. It was not 10 a.m. for me. It was like 1 o'clock. So it was like slap dab in the middle of the day, and I just forgot. So I jumped on around like 3 o'clock, so 2 hours after the launch, and the only thing left was the small one. Now, the small box that I received was the premium box, and it was for $60, and this box contains 4 items with 3 of them being exclusive. Yes, with 3 of them being exclusive items. So, let's see what I got. I will say, after like shipping and tax and stuff, I think I paid like $76 or so. Alright, item number 1 on top is a pop socket. Okay, I know some people complain about these, but I personally haven't received one, so I'm excited to have a Jeffree Star pop socket. I don't know, that's probably like, what, $5 value? Maybe $10. At the store, I think they're about $10 for pop socket. Okay, so the next item is this beanie. I personally don't really wear beanies, but it's really cute. The logo is like sewn on there. It's like fabric sewn on there, so that's a little bit nicer quality. Let me throw it on here. Let me see. Oh yeah, I don't like that. I don't like it standing up like that. Let me see if I can pull it down more and pull this up more or something. Y'all, I look like a mental patient. That is not a good look. Hats are not a good look for me. Yeah, no. Let's take this off. Alright, well, I do like this better than the stickers we got in the Christmas one. Unfortunately, it does not look very good on me. Alright, the next item we have is item number 3, and we have a gloss, and this is in Succulent. This is an exclusive item for this box. It's easy to tell because it's in this red, beautiful packaging, by the way. Oh, y'all. This gloss is so pretty. It looks like it's pink with maybe like a purple hue. Maybe a purple shift, but we're going to go ahead and try it on here. Let me try this bad boy on. Okay, that definitely does not look like I expected it to look. It's very pretty, but it looks like it's blue and green to me, which doesn't look like that in the packaging. It definitely has a hint of like unicorn vibes, which I can totally go with. It's just different than what it looks like in the packaging to me, but I do like it. Alright, the last item in the box. Oh my gosh, y'all. Alright, this is in green paper with aliens on it, so I'm assuming this is going to be the alien palette. And it is. I do not own this. I own a couple of his palettes, but I do not own this one. So this is pretty exciting. Love this box. I think he's also discontinuing this palette, so I don't think we'll be able to get it much longer. Really cool. I don't know if you can tell, but the eyeballs are raised on this. And it's like kind of like a faux leather. And when you open it up, you have a mirror, and then this flips down, and here are all the colors. These ones right here, like, I can definitely see myself using, like, the neutral colors. I'm not a giant green fan, but this might just push me out of my comfort zone to try something different. Alright, so these are all of the items for $60, or for me, $75. This white pop socket's like throwing off my white balance. I'm pretty happy with this box. I will say the Christmas one I was a little bit disappointed in. That one was cheaper than this one, but considering we got a full-size palette, I don't remember how much this palette retails for. Let me see. So the palette, when it first came out, was retailing for $52. It is no longer on their website, so I do think this has already been discontinued. But this being $52 and this being $18, we're already at a $70 value. And then we pretty much got these 2 items for free. So overall, I'm really pleased with this mystery box. I wish I would have got one of the big ones, but I will definitely check out everyone else's videos on the big one and see what I missed out on. But anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and until next time, bye y'all!